Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of my new tarot and oracle card decks. So let's get started. So my first deck here is Fortune Oracles by MOCA. This has 36 cards. And they give some little fortune messages. The next deck we have is Whispers from the Universe Oracles by MOCA. And this deck has 108 cards. It is divided into 3 categories. We have timelines, winks or messages from the universe, and problems, which highlights issues and problematic situations that you need to be aware of and address. So the next deck we have here is Vintage Rose Oracles by MOCA. And this one is, as the name suggests, features vintage roses. And this also has beautiful oracle messages. This deck has 80 cards. The next deck we have here is True Life Oracles by MOCA. And this one has 42 cards. And as you can see here, it's very colorful and lively and gives various oracle messages. The next deck is Tarot Flora by MOCA. And this deck is 78 cards based on traditional tarot, but using black and white floral images here. It's color coordinated, so the major arcana is slightly gold here. We have the suit of wands is another color. The pentacles is another color. And the cups suit is another color. And the swords are another color. It has keywords in the upright and in the reverse. So this deck was perfect for the beginning tarot reader or the seasoned tarot reader. Tarot Flora by MOCA. And the last deck I have here is Mystic Wings Tarot Oracles by MOCA. And as the name suggests here, it's based on tarot, but it's in oracle format. These cards are color coordinated based on the major arcana and the 4 different suites. So here we have the Free Spirit card, which is the equivalent of the Fool in tarot. And this whimsical deck features beautiful, colorful butterflies, dragonflies, and moths. And has 78 cards. And as I said, it's in oracle format, but has the meanings of traditional tarot cards. Mystic Wings Tarot Oracles by MOCA. So there you have it, guys, my newest oracle and tarot card decks. If you're interested in purchasing any of these for yourself or to give someone, the link is in the description section below the video. I'll be incorporating these new decks with the older decks that I have. You can also check out my readings on True Oracles by MOCA. Thanks for watching.